Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the game update and your account status. This ensures the Blazer kit is available. Next, check you have the required tokens or coins and enable any event-specific toggles. Once done, open the store and locate the event tab that lists the Blazer kit. Do not browse unrelated packs. Follow on-screen exchange rates so you don't waste resources, and immediately save a screenshot of requirements for the next steps. Now focus on the event tasks. Prioritize challenges that give token rewards quickly, like 3-match wins or objective chains. Use your energy boosts to repeat short matches and maintain momentum. This accelerates token gain. Once you reach the required token count, go back to the event shop and exchange exactly the number specified. Watch the ratio to avoid overspending. Keep an eye on timers. If multiple windows overlap, finish by redeeming the Blazer kit in your Rewards tab or inventory. The item should appear immediately. If it does not, restart the app and confirm your internet connection is stable, then recheck inventory. This fixes most sync issues. If the kit still is missing, gather a screenshot of the event screen, your token spend, and transaction ID and contact support. They can manually grant the kit. Meanwhile, avoid respending tokens to prevent duplicate charges or losses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.